Howdy, I'm Dr. Will Wong. You can stop emailing me now. You can stop asking for the replacement for our Arginine Ethyl Ester with TMG because it's here. Well, not quite, but it's almost here. We're waiting on the labels. As soon as we get the labels, it will be up and available for sale on our website on the old Arginine Ethyl Ester with TMG page. Let me tell you about the new product. This is the product I wanted to build in the late 80s, early 90s. Couldn't do it then because the main ingredient was so expensive then. It would have been prohibitively costly as a finished product. Only the rich would have been able to afford it. It wouldn't have sold very well. This is the kick-ass nitric oxide making product that I wanted to make almost 40 years ago, but that we've gotten to make now because of the much more reasonable price of the raw materials involved. Let me tell you what's in it. Dimethylglycine and trimethylglycine are two great sources for making nitric oxide. Aside from that, we have something to enhance the effect of vasodilation. We have a super potent, super strong Yohimbe extract. Now, the folks who tried this, we gave this to a few test subjects. They told us that the first thing they noticed within 90 to 120 minutes of taking one capsule was that they had a flush of blood to their brain, their thinking was sharper, their office work was easier. Office workers told us that all the office tasks they had to do were easier to complete, their thinking was faster, everything went smoothly without hitches. We had undergraduate students who took this before exams, and it greatly helped them take their exams. We had one undergraduate engineering student who was hedging on finishing 2 papers. He just couldn't sit down and make himself do it. The ideas just weren't coming. He took 1 capsule of the DMG TMG with Yohimbe in 2 hours. He was sparked, he was ready, he finished both papers in an afternoon. Now, the ranch hands and weightlifters who took this, the weightlifters tell us that they feel a flush in their head and their brain from the first set usually. The ranch hands who have used this tell us that they have increased capacity for work. The weightlifters reported the exact same thing. Those folks who were using the Arginine Ethyl Ester with trimethylglycine as a source for nitric oxide, as an erection enhancer in product, those folks report that they would never go back to our old product after using the new DMG TMG with Yohimbe. So, based on that, I can tell you that this stuff is the kick-ass supplement I wanted to build back in the 80s. And we have it now. It's taken a while, and I thank you all for your patience. I had to get it right. But all this great stuff comes with a warning. Since there is Yohimbe in this product, I have to heartily suggest that those folks on tricyclic antidepressants, high blood pressure medication, kidney disease medication, and who supplement high-dose tyrosine as an isolated amino acid, not use this product because of dangers of either too high a blood pressure, too low a blood pressure, or Swiss cheese effect, where your thinking kind of goes loopy because you're making too much dopamine. If you're not taking high blood pressure medication, if you're not taking the tricyclic antidepressants, if you're not supplementing high-dose tyrosine, have at it. Enjoy yourself. Dose is 1 capsule once or twice a day. 1 bleeding capsule. Don't take any more than that at a time. Really, we've tried it. Don't recommend it. It's too strong. 1 capsule, maybe twice a day. You'll love it. Be well and God bless. I'll talk to you again.